Why ask me? Up and down.
Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're in the world of Pop Mart. Now this is a Pop Mart figure. These are blind boxes, and these are the different types of figures you can get in this series. In the back, and you can see the Pop Mart logo with the little holographic proof of purchase. Now this one, I believe, card of the character that you got. So it looks like today we're gonna get Rabbitt P, the Coolaboo series. So it looks like Rabbitt P, everyone needs a break time. Okay, wow, she's tired. Looks like she comes with a bench, and on the bottom it just says Pop Mart Cool Rain. You can see that, so it looks like this will be what she's sitting on. Nice. So we have Rabbitt P out of her packaging, and I did get her from AliExpress. So if anyone is unfamiliar with AliExpress, go to the app store on your phone and type in AliExpress. See that she is wearing a rabbit costume. So you can see her hairs, her helmet. She has like rabbit mixed with Star Wars. These are her boots. And it looks like she's kind of stuck in this position saying, because everyone needs a break time. And you can see that she is a melanated figure, so she does have the brown skin. She has the orange eyeshadow with the little blue. Her eyebrows are pink, the same pink as her hair. Let's see how well does she sit on her seat. And she sits perfectly on the seat, guys. Now if you guys are wondering about her height, so let's get into that. So it looks like from the seat up to her ears, she's just at 4 inches. Alright, and this is Rabbitt P next to some of the Funko Pops that I got recently. So you can see that even though she's sitting down, she could kind of be in their world. They're not that much out of scale. It just looked like she's sitting down. So if she was standing up, they would probably be the same height. Fortnite series, so you can see this is Dyer next to her. Hello, wanna go hunting? Yeah, be careful, Rabbitt P. Not all these guys are your friends. So one last comparison, and it's because they're both rabbits. I have Rabbitt P next to the rabbit figure from Come For Art. I just love Pop Mart, Come For Art, Figma. I love all these toy companies that love to push the envelope. Like this figure here is a humanoid. It's half rabbit, half human. And it's just like Rabbitt P. She's dressed up as a rabbit, but she's a human. So I'm kind of happy to have her in my collection. Simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And let me know, what do you think about this Pop Mart figure? Do you guys think you will want to collect any? Or for you, it's an easy pass. Now mind you, this is a blind bag series, so you never know who you're going to get. But I'm happy that I got Rabbitt P. I'll see you guys in my next one.